Here is Pizza Hut Book It, Track and Reward Reading. So this is a reward program from Pizza Hut. Track and reward your child's reading with a free personal single topping pan pizza from Pizza Hut. Just read a minimum of 20 minutes a day for at least 15 days during the summer months and you will get a code you can redeem at any participating Pizza Hut location. So you can see in 1984, Pizza Hut established the Book It National Reading Incentive Program to motivate children to read more and help develop lifelong love of reading. Book It is a 6-month program for students in kindergarten through 6th grade. So you can just see it here. Fun, easy, rewarding, set goals, track reading, reward to your children. And then you can just go and then you can also try to create an account. So yeah, you literally need to create an account in here to get started. It's quite buggy, but yeah, here you can just see. And then yeah, you can just start to rewarding your kids.